political landscape surrounding cannabis is undergoing significant changes, with developments on both the federal and state levels.
Republican softening. Traditionally, Republicans have been hesitant on federal marijuana reform. However, recent signs suggest softening stances. Some Republican lawmakers are open to decriminalization and even legalization.
Although concerns about impaired driving and banking access remain, this shift in perspective could significantly impact the future of federal cannabis policy, as bipartisan support is crucial for any major reform.
Rescheduling debate. The FDA recently recommended keeping cannabis classified as a Schedule I drug, the most restrictive category. This decision is facing criticism from various stakeholders, including some JOP lawmakers who argue it lacks scientific basis and hinders research. This debate over rescheduling will likely continue, potentially influencing future legislation.
Full legalization vs. rescheduling. While some advocate for full federal legalization, others push for rescheduling first. Rescheduling would remove cannabis from the most restrictive category, facilitating research and potentially opening doors for banking and interstate commerce. However, it wouldn't necessarily guarantee legalization or expungement of past convictions.
Pennsylvania. With 2/3 of voters supporting legalization, Pennsylvania could be the next state to legalize recreational cannabis. Lawmakers are planning hearings, and public support could be a significant driving force.
Ohio, the state recently legalized possession, but the lack of licensed dispensaries creates confusion and frustration. This highlights the importance of well-developed frameworks alongside legalization.
Mississippi. A federal judge upheld the state's restrictions on medical marijuana advertising. This case raises questions about balancing free speech with consumer protection in the cannabis industry.
The political landscape surrounding cannabis is in flux, with growing public support for reform and shifting dynamics among policymakers. While challenges remain, both at the federal and state levels, progress is being made, and the future of cannabis policy appears increasingly dynamic.
The NFL and CBI, exploring pain management and concussion protection. The NFL is actively exploring the potential of cannabidiol, BD, for managing pain and protecting players from concussions. This initiative involves two key aspects.
1. Funding research. The NFL and FL Players Association have partnered to grant a total of $526,525 for 2 independent studies investigating CBD's therapeutic benefit. One study by the American Society of Pain and Neuroscience will explore CBD and non-invasive vagal nerve stimulation as alternative treatments for post-concussion headache pain. This follows a previous $1 million grant awarded by the NFL for researching the efficacy of CBFI and marijuana components in pain management and neuroprotection.
2. Participating in a clinical trial. The NFL partnered with Canadian researchers on a Phase 1 clinical trial testing the safety and efficacy of CBD for pain management and neuroprotection in concussion. This involved 35 participants receiving either a placebo or a CBD-rich cannabis extract to assess its safety and tolerability for daily use.
Potential benefits. If successful, CBD could offer a safer and more effective alternative to opioids for managing pain, a significant issue for many NFL players. Additionally, if proven to provide neuroprotective effects, CBD could help reduce the risk and severity of concussions, a major concern in the league.
Current stage and future developments. The Phase 1 trial focused on safety and tolerability, with further phases needed to test this for pain management and neuroprotection. The ongoing research funded by the NFL and MFL will provide additional data on the potential benefits of CBD for players.
Important caveats. It's crucial to remember that these are early-stage studies, and more research is needed to confirm any definitive conclusions about CBD's effectiveness for pain management and concussion protection. The long-term effects of CBD use in athletes also require further investigation.
Thanks for watching 421 News and updates toke on the herbal smoke.